we know, nano-aluminum has better physical and chemical properties than normal aluminum. It's widely used for ceramic material, battery material, catalysts, and optical material. Today, we will introduce a roller hearth furnace. It's suitable for nano-aluminum oxide processors and post-processing of powder material. Continuous production can greatly introduce production capacity. The daily output of a single line can reach tons, which is suitable for large-scale demands. The continuous process avoids the repeat heating and cooling. The project consistency will be better. Roller hearth furnaces are usually divided into multiple temperature zones, such as preheating zone, high temperature zone, constant temperature zone, and cooling zone. Independent control of each zone can ensure the uniform transformation and encapsulation of the preheating. The special air intake system can control the gas according to the process. It is suitable for different process rules, such as precursor calcination, surface modification. The roller rods are resistant to high temperature wear and easy to maintain, so the furnace has a long use life. Equipped with PLC system and shuttle transportation system, the equipment has a high degree of automation, which can save labor cost.